welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Tesla new Model Y Juniper and Model 3. The new Model 3 center console organizer, dual layer storage and smooth sliding. It is compatible with Model 3 2024 and 2025 and the Model Y Juniper accessories. Let's go ahead and take it out and see what we have inside. There's also a silicone pad right there. We have 4 parts and I'm gonna go ahead and install them on my car. Model 3 2025. First of all, we need to clean it up. And also this area too, right there. Make sure everywhere is clean, and then we can go ahead and put them right there. Let's put this one first. You see, it perfectly fits. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this one right here. Let me peel this off right there. And then stick it there. And here is the last piece. And then we're just gonna go ahead and place it there. It is fitting perfectly, by the way. And we're just gonna put all of your cards here, and the thief is not able to find it. Let's continue. We are done with this part, and the next part is this. You see, it also perfectly fits. Whenever you need something, you can just take it out and go ahead and take it whatever you need. And here is the last thing we need to put right there. You have plenty of space. I can definitely suggest these products. It's because it is giving you a great looking, and also it is very functional. And if something is spilled, you can just take it out and clean it up well. And it has also a silicone pad right there also, you see. And there is a secret compartment right there. You can put some of your cards in there. And it is not blocking anywhere. It is working as it is intended to be. You see, it's not blocking anywhere. If you want to use your cable, here is the area. You can just take it out. For the other section, let's go ahead and look at it. If you want to use it right there, you see, there is an area over there. Or you can take the cable from there.